Hello family and friends. So it's always good to be back with another video. So today, roaming on the streets of Tema, I want you to see the things that you are likely to have on sale on the roadside, where you can purchase anything at whatever negotiated price. You can have it. So please enjoy it. This is from the streets of Tema. So please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to comment. Let us see how our videos are doing. And if you have any feedback for us, please share it in the comment section. If you have eaten some of the street food that was videoed, please share your experience. Share which one you loved best, and also some of the things you are likely to buy on the roadside of Tema or Accra in particular. Cheers.
On my way back home, I decided to get a video for y'all about the stuff in Ghana you can get. There's a lot. You can get this, it's so good. It's called manchakako. You can get roasted corn, you can get lubricant, you can get fruits like lime here in your shirt. You can get chairs, you can get tiger nuts, you can get food joints where you eat. You can get ties. You can get water. You can get beverages. All sorts of cold beverages. Another lubricant shop here in your shirt. You can get balls. You can get tea rolls. You can get shoes. You can get logs. You can even get some local soaps. You can get this shito. It's a black sauce. You can get seafood, fish, octopus, all sorts of fish. You can get water. You can get wood. You can get mobile money shops. Another picture of a beverage seller or vendor here in your shirt. You can get birds. You can get actually anything. You can get roasted plantain. You can get sheep. You can get motorcycles. You can get plasticware. You can get pots, earthenware pots too as well. Actually, we use earthenware pots in Ghana to grind stuff without the use of a blender. You can get roasted corn. You can get bread. Bread is a very big necessity in all homes. You can get noodles. You can get rice. You can get food. You can get food joints. If you're hungry, don't hesitate. You can get onions. You can get dresses. You can get plantain chips. This is something made from plantain. You fry it. You can get furniture. All sorts of furniture. Basically all sorts. You can get tea roll. You can get ceramic plates. You can get towels, you can get fish again here on your shirt, you can get ties, you can get another shot of furniture. These are also local soaps. Yeah, here in your shirt. Detergent. You can get fruits. This is watermelon. You can rent cars even here in Ghana. You can rent cars literally anywhere. You can get painting. You can get baskets. You can get food stuff that literally all things ranging from potatoes, bananas, oranges, garden eggs, yams. You can get poultry, turkey, cocks, hens. You can get apples. You can get necklaces, bracelets. You can get flowers, pots. As you see here, Ghana is a very busy place. There are a lot of things sold here, and there's nothing here in that you need that you'll not be able to get. Here is popcorn. This is plantain chips. You can also get ice cream. So I hope you've learned a thing or two about Ghana being so diverse in a lot of ways. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Share, like, comment down the section below. And yeah, I love you all. Bye. See you next time. Cheers.